Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, I was given this piece of cedar by Jamie over at JP Woodwork a while ago. It's 11.5 by 3.5 inches. Haven't had a chance to turn it yet, mainly because my old lathe wasn't able to cope with it in its later stages, and I was waiting for the new chuck for the bigger chuck on the new lathe, as it was a bit too heavy for the small chuck. So obviously, since I got the chuck from Rutland's and did the unboxing video, I first put it on the lathe and then discovered that although the chuck was running through, the jaws weren't, and I had a bit of a wobble on it when I put the faceplate ring on. So I contacted Rutland's and they were exceptional in their customer service. Very quickly came back to me, sent out some new mounting jaws to try. That didn't solve the issue, so the whole chuck system went back to them. And basically within, I think it was a week and a half from me discovering the problem, I had a new chuck kit back and I could get started again. So I'm finally getting to use this now properly with this piece. I will use a large faceplate ring as well to get it started and then go from there. Now this piece is quite dry and there's a number of cracks. Lovely bit of bark inclusion, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep some of it or any of it at all. As it is a bit shallow, some of it's a bit loose, so it's going to be a bit of an experiment and just see what happens. But yeah, anyway, thank you, Jamie. I hope you guys enjoy.
try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Thank you for joining me again in Jigshi's Shed. Now this was a really fun turn and the workshop smells absolutely lovely, so thank you for this blank, Jamie. Now there was a lot of cracks in this piece that I had to fill in and some I just had to cut away, so my shape did change from what I planned originally, but I still managed to keep some of the bark inclusion, which I'm really pleased about. And the overall size is 10 inches by just shy of 3 inches. And I obviously managed to have a go with my Simon Hope's texturing tool for the first time. So really pleased with the result, and really adds to the piece itself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Now I've got a few sticker shout outs to do as well. I got sent some stickers by Jim and Sherry from New Hampshire Brew Hoppers, who also sent me other stickers like Stripe 9 Brewing Company, Highland Brewery, and the Intoxicated Traveller. I will leave links down below for this, but yeah, I'm a beer lover, so those stickers will definitely be up in the workshop. And then I also got a sticker from Tim over at TFT Turning. Do go and check out his channel. Some great pieces that he's done there as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and hit that bell notification, and you'll be notified when my next video is up. Thank you. See you next time.